Hello everyone, welcome to today's all-standing Pilates bar lower body 30-day challenge workout, where we are going to do exercises that will strengthen and improve our balance and our posture in our lower bodies so that we can effectively do our daily living activities such as our standing, our walking, our climbing, our sit to stand. Obviously, you're going to need a Pilates bar. Also, I highly suggest that you get yourself some Pilates socks because they have like a rubber grip on the bottom to help keep your feet stabilized in these straps. Get yourself some water, carve yourselves out some space, and let's work today for a better tomorrow. Okay, we're gonna start on the left side. Lift the knee up and then extend that foot out. Slow, controlled movements. Keep these abdominal muscles pulled in back towards your spine to help support your stability. And I'll also leave on the screen, you guys, because again, this challenge is all about improving our balance and our coordination. So if you are having difficulty with that right now, I'll leave an option up there on the screen. Okay, give me one more. Nice work. Okay, we're gonna get ready to switch to the opposite side. And one other thing I wanna bring to your attention too, if you need to increase the intensity of this band, just simply pull it in, okay, and hold it. And please also do check out my description, where you will also find some additional benefits of doing Pilates bar and also working our lower body. All right, you guys, excellent work. Okay, we'll get ready for a hamstring curl. We're gonna start on the left side. And as you can see, I have a slight lean forward. We're extending that left leg out and up. Strengthening the back of these thighs. And this supporting leg, gotta mention that as well, that knee is soft. And as you can tell, as we lift this leg, it is supporting our body weight. That is gonna help us, again, with our coordination and our balance. Last one, excellent work. All right, get ready to go to the opposite side of our body. Nice, slow, controlled movements. And of course, if this pace is too much for you, slow it down. So that way, if you need to recheck your balance in between repetitions, you can do exactly that, just like this. See that? All right, you guys. Okay, the last and final exercise, we're going to do a lateral lift. We're gonna start on the left side. And this reminds me of what's that exercise we used to do on our knees? It'll come to me, but this is what this reminds me of, but in the standing position. fire hydrants. That's what it's called. I'm feeling it, you guys. Last one. All right. And we're going to repeat this on the right side. Last one. Excellent work, you guys. We are done. This is proof that you do not have to go hard to get long-lasting, effective results. Tell me, you guys, in the comments, okay, if you are all in for this 30-day challenge, or if the 30 days have passed, let me know whether or not you've done this challenge and how you have improved, once again, by doing simple exercises that are functional, all right, to assist us again in our daily living activities. One other thing, remember, exercise is only part of the equation. Also remember to keep yourselves hydrated throughout the day and also eat high protein, nutrient-rich foods to nourish our bodies. If you need some examples, please do check out my description where I've got some links to some recipes that are simple, healthy, and oh so delicious. You guys, thank you so very much for being here. And remember, if you benefited from this workout and you know somebody that will also benefit from it, please do me the honor of sharing this video and also my channel with them. And please also do subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free, but the benefits are priceless, you guys. And I thank you all so very much for the same. Remember, you guys, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I'll see you all right here real soon. And thanks for joining us.